the Garifuna people basically came from an amalgam of those resources. Basically, Arawaks, Caribs, and Africans. Yeah. So that too is another aspect of our heritage that we need to explore. For example, I didn't mention it, but with our music, for example, does anybody know where our sacred music came from? Another thing is with the maracas. I was Googling the maracas and where it came from. And in Wikipedia, there is apparently, it's highly probable, although nobody can say for sure, that the maracas originated in South America. And so, yeah. And
there's some that's great them
yeah, and what was interesting too is that, so you hear the maracas like with our spiritual music, and it gives that eerie feeling when you hear it, the school drums. But also, in the Baya Marasa, I was listening to one of their CDs, it was an old man, the young guys playing for the real Marasa. And they play paranda with an interesting style of the maracas, where there's very little, there's very little tempo. There's very little tempo, but the maracas is right there, kind of giving that sad feeling. Yeah. So we need to explore, as far as our musical heritage, where some of these things came from. The maracas in particular is very interesting to me because, I always wondered. Now, even like Western bands use the maracas, but it's actually, maybe it was something that came into the Garifuna culture from the Arawak side. So a lot of these things, we have to really study. The good doctor over there has spent a lot of years studying. We need to help her out and also contribute to this body of work. It needs a lot more contributions. We're just scratching the surface, And just one more aside regarding this is that, like, for example, couldn't you imagine how much we could learn through like paleontology? When I went to Roatan, I asked, because I like to ask these kind of really weird questions. So where is the first burial site in Garifuna? What can we learn about these people dressed? What can we learn about what did they bring along? Things like that. So, what I'm saying is that there's a lot of serious work that remains to be done. Music is just one of them. This thing about Arawak, we need to explore more. Caribs, maybe it has been studied by people like Douglas Taylor, things like that. But we need to get a better sense of how do they contribute to our own Garifuna body politic. What exactly do we get from those people? Our music, what we eat. So we can explain intelligently too about who we are.
Is there artwork with all the music, with traditional music in it or anything? Someone's compiled?
Yes, I'm compiling it, and my CD took 15 years. Joshua told me I need to get this book done in 30 days. and Ron did the translation to Spanish 2 years ago, so I'm a little bit slow. But it will be published soon, very soon.
Any questions? Lead us out with a wonderful song.
Right,
One more.
Just wanted me to teach you guys a song. So,
Isani, can he play the segunda drum with the?
Sure.
Go ahead, Isani. So everybody can follow Isani with the drum. We want you to participate in the drumming. Come on, get a drum.